Hey guys, what's up? My name's Ronan Vico, and this video I'm going to talk about a toolbox that is called the XrmToolBox, the ultimate set of tools for Microsoft Dataverse. It's a free set of tools that you can donate because it's built by the community to help developers to have a set of tools to manage and develop features into your Power Platform. It can be used for Dynamic 365, but also it really useful for the Microsoft Dataverse, the Power Apps, Automate, because we can change connection reference, we can manage user and roles, we can manage solutions using this toolbox for the Power Platform. So basically, what you should do first is to download the latest version here. I'm going to download it. You will have this zip file right here you can extract, and inside of the folder you will have the exec table, the XrmToolBox exec table file. You can open it, and here is it. The first thing that you need to do on the toolbox is to connect to an environment with a connection. So basically, we can manage an environment. We connect to an environment with an account and use this account to manage this environment. So the connection, it's built on the environment, not on the tenant. So we can manage, for example, here the roles on this environment. We can manage the flow connections on this environment, and so on. So the first thing that we're going to do here is to click connect. I already have here one connection, but I will click new. What we're going to use is the OAuth MFA, and here you can insert your dynamic URL if you are trying to connect to the dynamic environment. But you can go to the Power Apps portal, access the settings here, the session detail, and we're going to have the instance URL from the environment. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it here and click next. Here you're going to insert your email address. So I'm going to insert my email address here. I'm going to click next, and it will be asked for sign in. So I'm going to log in. The connection was validated. I can set the name. So connection to DevEnv on Power Platform. And I'm going to finish here, and here's it. I have the connection to this environment with this account. Now I can click OK. I can see the open environment, open maker, and even the impersonate button, but we do not need to use this right now. What I'm going to show you is the tools. As I said, we have a set of tools in the XrmToolBox. So you can click on tools, and you will see pre-installed tools that you can use, right? So we have like an easy translator, document template mover, fetch XML builder, fetch XML tester, and a lot of others that is really useful here that you can check by yourself. But what I'm going to talk to you is that not just this one that is installed, pre-installed here, but you do not need to settle just for those. You can go here on the configuration and access the tool library, and at the tool library you will have a lot of other tools that was built by the community. You also can build your own tool and publish to the XrmToolBox. That's really cool, right? So here you will have a lot of tools. I think that I will make more videos showing the best ones here, but to test it, the first tool that I want you to see, so let me show you one simple tool so you can understand what is going on, what I'm talking about here about these tools. The user roles manager, for example, I can open that and I can use a connection here. Check it out. I have this and this connection, so I can have multiple connection for multiple environments, and in this tab I will use this connection right here that we just created, right? So I'm going to click all tabs here, and okay, it's ready to go. It's connected using my connection. Next step here, is I can use this tool called User Roles Manager, for example, to manage the users at the role. So if I click here, load roles, user and teams, check it out. I will have all the roles available on the environment. I can create new ones, and I can assign, for example, the support user. I want to assign these two guys to this role right here. So I can select those guys, select this role right here, and I can take an action, add select roles to select the user or teams, and it's done. So it's an example of tool here that you can use at the XrmToolBox to win time. You can do that using the Power Platform website. You can go to the Dataverse, to the user, and insert one by one at the roles, but the tool can do that much faster for you. So this is just one tool at the toolbox. I'm just showing you what you can find here. You can test it yourself, and if you like the tool and the tool is available to donate, you can donate to the developer so he can be happy. Okay, in the next video I'm going to show more tools that I think that is really useful for Power Platform developers, not focused on the dynamics but more focused on the Power Automate and apps, those softwares that I like more to develop. So hit the thumbs up here on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this class. Feel free to comment down below your feedback, and also write down the word strawberry. So I will know that you watched the video completed. It's a way of knowing who liked the video and watched completed. And check the links at the descriptions. Share the channel so we can grow up and bring more free content with quality like this one to you. And we see you in another video, in another class. And please consider to subscribe.